Welcome back to part 6 of this series on how to make money online. In this video, we're diving into Faceless YouTube Automation, a method that lets you build and grow a YouTube channel without ever showing your face, using your voice, or filming anything yourself. If you're creative, organized, or just good at research, this method can generate long-term income on autopilot. Let's break it down. Faceless YouTube means exactly what it sounds like. You run a YouTube channel, but you never appear on camera. You don't need to film anything. Instead, you create videos using stock footage or animation, voiceovers, either AI or freelancers, and edited content with facts, storytelling, or education. Many channels with millions of views operate this way, and they generate serious income through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and digital products. You can't just make random videos. You need a focused niche that people are actively searching for. Best faceless niches include finance and investing, business and entrepreneurship, motivation or success, tech and gadget reviews, health tips, celebrities and luxury, true crime or mystery, history or education, and life hacks or productivity. Pick something that matches your interest. But more importantly, something that performs well in search and recommended videos. Here are 3 popular faceless formats. First, top 10 or list videos, for example, top 10 passive income ideas. You research, script, and present useful or entertaining info. Second, story-based videos, like how Elon Musk built Tesla. You narrate a story using voiceover and visuals. Third, educational explainers, for instance, how credit cards actually work. These teach complex topics in a simple way using visuals and narration. Pick a format that you can repeat and scale. Your script is everything. It really is the backbone of your video. It needs to hook the viewer in the first 10 seconds, flow logically with short, clear sentences, and use emotion, curiosity, or surprise to keep attention. And don't forget, it should end with a strong conclusion or a call to action. A good script is usually somewhere between 600 and 1500 words, depending on your video length. You can totally write your own, or if you prefer, you can hire a freelance scriptwriter on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You don't need to speak if you don't want to. There are a few options. You can record your own voice, which is honestly best for authenticity, or you can use a friend or hire someone. There are plenty of professional voice artists out there. You can also use AI voices from tools like 11 Labs, Lovo, or PlayHT. Just make sure the voice is clear, natural, and easy to follow. Oh, and here's a pro tip: human-sounding voices usually perform better when it comes to viewer retention. You can create your videos using stock footage from sites like Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks, or animations from Canva, Vyond, or RenderForest. Screen recordings or slides from PowerPoint or Canva work great too. And for editing, you've got options like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or InVideo. InVideo, which you're using, is honestly perfect for this method. You just upload your script, choose your visuals, and edit the clips together with text and voice. Try to keep your visuals changing every 5 to 10 seconds to maintain viewer attention. To make your video more engaging, you should add some background music, but keep it at a low volume so it doesn't overpower your content. Use motion text to highlight key points and incorporate zooms, transitions, and overlays to keep things visually interesting. Including B-roll footage can really enhance the storytelling. Don't forget to use clear titles and subtitles to make your message easily understandable. It's important to maintain consistent branding throughout your video. Stick to the same font, color theme, and overall video style to create a cohesive look. When you publish your video, it's crucial for YouTube to understand what it's all about. To optimize, make sure your title includes keywords that people are searching for, like 5 passive income ideas that actually work. In the description, include your main keywords, a summary, and any relevant links. Although tags are less important now, it's still a good idea to add related keywords. Your thumbnail should be bold, clean, and clickable to attract viewers. You can use tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy to help research what's trending and improve your SEO. Earning with ads requires a bit of groundwork. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views. Once you're eligible, YouTube will start placing ads on your videos, and you'll earn based on your CPM, or cost per meal. Some faceless channels can earn anywhere from $5 to $30 CPM, depending on the niche. There are other monetization options too, like including affiliate links in your description, securing sponsorships as your channel grows, selling merch or digital products, and building an email list with a product funnel. YouTube really rewards consistency. So, you'll want to aim for 1 to 3 videos per week, stick with a consistent format and niche, and focus on evergreen content, stuff that isn't just based on trends. Try batching your work, write 3 scripts in a single day, record 3 voiceovers the next, and then edit them over the weekend. Once you have a system in place, it honestly becomes a bit of a content machine. Once your channel starts growing, you can actually outsource a lot of the work. Things like script writing, voiceovers, editing, thumbnail design, and even SEO and uploads. You can hire freelancers or maybe build a small team. That way, your channel keeps growing even if you're not working on it every single day. Believe it or not, some people manage 5 to 10 channels this way, all faceless, and they're earning passive income month after month. Even if your channel is focused on long-form videos, you should definitely use YouTube Shorts to grow faster. Just take 15 to 60-second highlights from your full videos. Shorts can bring in new subscribers, viral exposure, and even help you reach monetization faster. They're also great for teasing or promoting your full videos. Faceless YouTube is honestly one of the most scalable, creative, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online. You don't need to be on camera, you don't need expensive gear, and once you build your system, the content almost runs itself. Just start simple. Improve over time, focus on quality and consistency. In part 7, we'll cover another smart method: getting paid to listen. Yes, literally listening and earning money. So, go ahead and subscribe so you don't